Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. अभी आप बिल्कुल भी बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे, कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। शादी, एनी फंक्शन, कोई किसी का जाना हुआ आपको अटेंड करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप बस अपना ध्यान रखिए। मोक्ष, मुझे आपका वीडियो नहीं मिला, रीडिंग का भी और राइटिंग का भी। क्यों? और मुझे पता है बाकी सब बच्चों ने भी चैप्टर ट्वाइस या थ्राइस नहीं पढ़ा होगा। नहीं पढ़ा है तो पढ़ लीजिए। फर्स्ट इन दिस चैप्टर आर EVS chapter number 10, our neighborhood. We will learn the keywords. Neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. Services, SERVICES, services. Grocery, GROCERY, grocery. Deposit, DEPOSITE, deposit. Chemist, CHEMIST, chemist. CHEMIST, chemist. Patients, PATIENTS, patients. Okay, now answer in one word. अभी मैंने बहुत कम लिखे हैं, पर आप चैप्टर पढ़ोगे तो आपको उसमें से और भी आंसर इन वन वर्ड आ सकते हैं. ओके, यू विल गेट. फर्स्ट, they protect us from thieves. Who protect us from thieves? Police, POLICE. Second, we can buy medicines from here. From where we can buy medicines? Chemist shop, CHMIST, chemist. SHOP, shop, chemist shop. This keeps our money safe. From where we can keep our money safe? Bank. This keep our money safe. Bank. Fourth is we can buy stamps from here. From where we can buy? Postcards, money order. We can buy all these things from post office. We can buy stamps from here. Post office. The place where doctor examine patients and give them medicines. Hospital. The place where doctor examine patients and give them medicines. Where? Hospitals or clinic also. Sixth one is they risk their lives to save us and our belongings from fire. They risk their lives to save us and our belongings from fire. Who am I? Fireman. Who am I? Fireman. What is a, now question answer, long question answer. What is a neighborhood? Neighborhood is the area around our house. What is a neighborhood? Neighborhood is a area around our house. Question number 2. Name the important services that are available in the neighborhood. Name the important services that are available in our neighborhood. Important services available in our neighborhood are market, bank, school, post office, police station and fire station also. You can write so many things which are important, but I have written a few. What is the role of doctors and nurses in hospital? What is the role of doctors and nurses in hospitals? Doctors and nurses are giving an essential duty. दे रहे हैं ना, अभी COVID-19 में आप देख रहे होंगे, they are giving their hard work. They didn't get any holiday. Even आप लोगों की या हम लोगों की कोविड पेशेंट्स की सेवा करते करते वो खुद कोविड से ग्रस्त हो रहे हैं, इन्फेक्टेड हो रहे हैं. Doctors and nurses are giving an essential duty. Doctors examine patients and give them medicines. Nurses take care of the patients. Nurses take care of the patients. Fourth question. From where can we buy stamps, envelopes and postcards? We can buy stamps, envelopes and postcards from post office. From where can we buy stamps, envelopes and postcards. We can buy stamps, envelopes and postcards from post office. Last question. Why do children go to school? Children learn how to read and write in school. Children learn how to read and write in school. They also learn good manners and good habits in school. They also learn good manners and good habits in school. These are the question and answers. But I have remembered that I have told you yesterday ki in the live class on Friday you have to ready with these important services: attire, costume. You can wear costume. You can wear uniform of those people, they are giving you important services. Or you take the helpers as a our helper are also I am including in this chapter, so they are also helping us in various ways. You can ready. आप क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, आप अपने डायलॉग्स तैयार रखना, बट एट द टाइम आई विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, राइट? So be prepared for that, है ना? Be ready and take care of yourself. Bye.